Today I take my cat for a walk. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. At least try to, which went so great. It was very, very difficult, and there's even footage of that so you guys can see. There isn't a lot of commentary because we were all trying to figure out how to make it the best environment for him. Because obviously, he is a very nervous cat, but at the same time he's very curious about everything, so he was very controversial, very conflicted about what to do. He likes speaking a lot whenever he's nervous or angry, anything like that. But yeah, getting the harness on was so difficult. I can't even comprehend the amount of little like things I had to do. You guys might not see the entire of it, but it took me probably at least a good like 20 minutes. Teddy and Pika is mine, Teddy is my sister's, and we got them when they were 10 months old because the other people could not handle them anymore, they couldn't take care of them anymore, so we decided to take care of them. It was just interesting. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like it, and all that different kind of stuff, because this took my brain cells to a whole other planet. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys after the clips. I don't know. Let's see. So, oh! Okay, the other time you don't do that. He's like, what the frick? Oh boy. No. Come here, baby. You can see how, like, you can definitely tell, like, this didn't fit him originally. But it's alright now. There you go, boy. Hold on. I've got to put your lead on as well. Oh, okay.
He's gone.
Hello.
I need to get Mum to get more of these.
Hello, hello. I only got a few of these left. And Mum to get
He's
more.
like, what is this sorcery?
Look, baby, I got you some. Mmm, delicious and nutritious. I got some later. There you go.
He's like, no.
There you go.
No, what just happened? No!
It's like it wasn't attached to me.
Alright, you gonna record me putting Pika's on now?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to savor them, please. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, bless him!
It's okay.
He's like, no, Mummy, no!
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, bless him. It's okay. You'll be like your brother.
Yeah? There's your other part. Oh, okay, you can go.
As he whacks himself out.
You want some more?
You want a treat?
Nothing happened.
Oh my goodness, this is the last few I've got. And he's gone in the window. What's Mummy done to you?
Can I lay my legs on this?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. That's where Teddy actually had diarrhea on.
Oh, fuck, okay.
Yeah, some food disagreed with him.
I mean, that happens a lot with cats, unfortunately.
Yeah, well, it's alright, I cleaned it up.
You happy? You're gonna go outside for the first time? Yeah?
We'll go in the front
What's
garden,
this?
probably. Probably easier. Not the dogs.
Yeah, this goes on here.
Goes in the back of you.
Mind if I grab you? Put this on there?
Nice elbow.
Thank you. There you go, all ready to go.
So handsome.
Hey, you ready to go now?
You just got over excited.
Yeah.
Aww.
He's like, I don't want to go.
I want you to be outside though, to explore the world.
He's like, oh, hello.
He's like, hi.
Hey, you want to go?
I know, right? These people, our fans are good looking, aren't they? He's like, oh, this is wet, don't like it.
Oh, bless.
It's okay. It's okay. You come over here. Look.
enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, you can see how he's a fidgety little cat. But then again, it's their birthday. It's been 1 year, so yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And also, there'll be new videos coming up soon of tarantula houses, all that different kind of stuff, so you guys see it all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!